Good morning, guys. So yesterday I went and made copies at school and I forgot to go over lesson 97. So I'm going to do that right now. It is multiplying two-digit numbers, and we've practiced this in class, but if you follow along in your book, it might help you if this is something that you're struggling with. So if you look at the bottom of page 332, when we multiply by a two-digit number, we take 3 steps. First, we multiply by the ones digit, then by the tens digit, and then add the products together. So you'll see in the example, to multiply 34 by 12, you multiply 34 times 2 and get 68, and 34 times 10 to get 340, and then you add them together. And then this kind of walks you through the steps, showing you that it's easier to write the numbers one above the other. So you write it like this: 34 times 12. Then you multiply the 34 times the 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 6. And so that is just multiplying by the 2, the digit in the ones place. And then here, we're going to multiply 34 times 1, your second step, but it's actually not 1, it's 10. So you can do it like this. Just leave it under the tens place. 3 times 4 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. Or this is how we've been doing it in class, is you put that 0 there to kind of give you your placeholder. So 34 times 1 is 34, but 34 times 10 is 340. So it might be easier for you just to always put that 0 there to keep your numbers lined up. And then you would add 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And you get 408. So it's just showing you the two ways. You can do it with or without the 0 as long as you line up your numbers. But we've been doing it in class with the 0. So here is an example: 31 times 23. So you would first do 1 times 3 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, getting 93. And then to multiply by your 2 or your 20, I'm just going to go over this example. 1 times 2 is 2. We put the 0. Then 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, giving you 620. And then you add the 2 together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. So you get 713.